I'm Kate Humphrey with Beacon Capital Partners for Greensboro Park Place. So we're working on Greensboro Park Place, which is located at the intersection of Greensboro Drive and International Drive, so right across from the mall. It'll be about a quarter mile from the Greensboro Metro Station, about a half mile from the Tysons Metro Station. Right now there's 2 office buildings and a big surface parking lot. And so this project is going to bring 2 new residential buildings right on top of the surface lot. So the office buildings will stay. There'll be 2 new residential towers, both about 20 to 26 stories each, for a maximum of 520 residential units. And they're going to be built right up to the street on Greensboro, so you'll have a really nice streetscape, sidewalk landscaping. Ground floor of one of the buildings will have a little bit of retail space, as well as a 3,000 square foot community facility that the Park Authority will operate. I mean, this is really a quintessential way to take advantage of Metro, putting 2 new buildings on top of what now is just surface parking. So as far as reusing the land and maximizing, what could be closest to the station, this is really going to capture a lot of that activity.